You have got a killer app idea, right? But then you think about the years of learning the code or the small fortune it would cost to hire a developer, and the idea just stopped. Well, that's officially over. In this video, I'm going to show you a secret tool that lets you visually build and launch a real professional grade React Native app without writing a single code. Stay with me because you're about to watch me build a complete app from scratch, and I will show you exactly how you can do it too. Let's be real, for most people, there is a giant brick wall between a brilliant app idea and a finished product on someone's phone. That wall of code is the belief that you have to become a senior software engineer fluent in languages like Swift and Java just to make a simple prototype. This idea kills so many incredible projects before they even start. You are either facing a learning curve that feels like climbing Mount Everest, or you're looking at a bill from development team that could be tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. For years, the F Cloud has been an exclusive cloud for people with deep technical skill or even deeper pocket. And that is so frustrating. You see problems you could solve, communities you could build, or services you could offer, but you feel completely stuck, locked out of your own idea. The myth is this is still the only way. The truth, the game has totally changed. The tools we have today have absolutely demolished that wall. And that was once impossible for a solo entrepreneur is now completely within your reach. Before I pull back the curtain on the toolers, you need to understand why it's so powerful. It's all about professional grade technology running under the hood. The first piece of that puzzle is React Native. Developed by Facebook, React Native is a game-changing framework that lets you build apps for both iOS and Android from one single code base. Instead of writing and maintaining two completely separate apps, you write it once and it works everywhere. And this isn't some cheap shortcut. A React Native app is the real deal. It's not a website pretending to be app. It uses the same native building block that developers at companies like Instagram, Shopify, Tesla, even Microsoft use for their own apps. The second piece is toolchain called Expo. If React Native is the powerful engine, think Expo as the high-tech dashboard that makes it a dream to try. Expo is a set of tools built around React Native that just simplifies everything. It handles the tricky stuff like accessing the phone's camera or GPS, and it enables one of the most incredible features of all, prepping your app on your own phone live as you build. When you put the power of React Native and the convenience of Expo together, you have the industry standard for building top-tier mobile apps. So if the pros are using the killer combo of React Native and Expo, how do you get access without being a coder? This is where the magic happens. The tool is called Draftbit. Draftbit is a visual platform that designed especially to sit on the top of React Native and Expo. It's like the ultimate graphical user interface for professional app development. It channels all the power and performance of React Native into a drag and drop editor that just makes sense. And let's be clear, this isn't some basic website builder that spits out stanky limited app. As you visually design your interpret, it generates clean production-ready React Native code in the background. This is the key difference. So many no-code tools lock you into their platform forever. Draftbit isn't walled garden. It's an accelerator. It gives entrepreneurs and designers the power to do the work that until now took a whole team of engineers. You are not just daydreaming about you anymore. You are actually building it skin by skin with a tool that builds the dream tool of you in just a few minutes. And here's what Draftbit is a secret weapon for
serious builders. First and most importantly, you are never locked in. This is the ultimate freedom with many
no-code tools. Your app is stuck on their platform forever. If they shut down, you lose everything.
GrabWait is the complete opposite.
Once you are on one of their higher tier fronts, you can export entire human readable
React Native code for your app anytime you want. The code is clean, professional, and ready for developer to take over for advanced feature or for you to customize yourself if you ever decide to learn. You own what you will. Secondly, publishing to the world. GrabWait provides tools and guidance to publish your finished app directly to the Apple Store and Google Play Store.
That is one of the scariest parts of the process.
And finally, it perfectly bridges the gap between no-code and low-code. If you do have some technical chops, you can add your own customer code and component right inside the Visual Builder. This means the platform grows with you and you can start with zero code, and as your needs get more complex, you can add custom logics without leaving the platform.
It's truly best of both worlds.
Now, you might be wondering about the tools like Flutterflow. It's a great question.
The biggest difference is the technology underneath. Flutterflow is big on Google's Flutter,
while GrabWait is all in on the React
native ecosystem. While Flutterflow is amazing tool, GrabWait is often seen as more approachable for beginner who want to build
in the massive widely supported world of React. So what does it actually cost? You can get started and explore the entire Visual Builder completely free. The free trial is perfect for getting your feet wet
and building out your app to see how it feels. When you are ready to publish and unlock those
power features, their paid are incredibly affordable.
They will start only $29 a month. When you think about a single developer cost per hour,
the value is just insane. So let's recap. We started with just an app idea.
We learned that old worlds of coding and code have been turned down. We saw how you can use Visual Platform to harness the powerful great tech like React Native and Expo. And we actually built a real data-driven app from scratch without writing a code.
I have included the GrabWait tutorial for your reference. You can watch later if you want. The tools to turn your vision into a reality
here, and
they are ready for you right now. You don't need to wait for permission or a messy budget.
All you need is your idea and the will to start.
If you want to finally be that app you have been dreaming about, I can recommend GrabWait.
I dropped a link in the description where you can sign up for free and start building today.
Stop letting your great ideas sit on a notepad. It's time to build. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then,
take care. One more thing. Don't forget to subscribe if you have found this video useful.